Good evening, super friends. Welcome back to English Speaking Through Routines with a Twist. If you did my morning superhero video, awesome. Now, let's wind down like a hero recharging their powers. We'll practice simple English by talking about your day, relaxing, and getting ready for bed. It's all about easy words and a fun twist with absolutely no stress. Let's start with this. Repeat after me. Good evening. I'm recharging for tomorrow. Perfect. Now, let's start our hero wind down. Lights low, ... and action. Step 1. After dinner, it's time to reflect like a wise hero. I clear the table and take a moment to think about my day. First, I finish eating. Today was Funai spoke English. Now for the twist. We're not just cleaning up. We're the super reflector. Ask yourself, what went well today? For me, I feel proud of my morning routine. Now you try. Repeat this phrase. My best moment today was ... double quotes. Maybe it was learning a new word or having a great conversation. How was your day? Was it good? Or was it busy? Whatever it was, it's time to recharge. Next step. Step 2. Time to relax. I like to sit down with a book or maybe some calming music. The important thing is to unwind. Let's practice. Say this with me. Next, I unwind. My body feels calm and tired. Now for our superhero twist. You're the Serenity hero. Take a deep breath in. ... and out. Feel the day melting away. I'm letting go of the day. Now, let's try a little dialogue. Talk to yourself out loud. Say, good job today, you're a speaking star. Repeat that now. What helps you relax? Is it a cup of tea or a short walk? Feeling peaceful. Great. On to our prep for tomorrow. Step 3. Let's get ready like a prepared hero. I pick out tomorrow's outfits so the morning is super smooth. I like to say, now I prepare. My clothes are clean and comfy. Our superhero twist for this step is the future hero. We're setting ourselves up for success. Repeat this power-up phrase. Tomorrow, I'll speak even better power up. Now, a question for you. What will you do first in the morning? For me, it's stretch like a hero. Say your plan out loud and feel free to share it in the comments below. All right, we're all set. On to the final step. Step 4. Bedtime, the big recharge. I brush my teeth and slip under the covers, getting all cozy. The phrase for this is, finally, I go to bed. I feel sleepy and happy. And for our final superhero twist, we become the dream weaver. Say this with me. Sweet dreams I'll dream of English adventures. As the lights go out, let's narrate our final thoughts. Think about what you learned today. For example, lights out today I learned. Tomorrow I'll practice more. Now you try. Repeat that phrase and think of one thing you learned or did today. What's your final bedtime thought? Time for a full recharge. Sweet dreams, heroes. What a peaceful evening. You spoke English like a true recharging hero. That's amazing. Let's do a quick review of our key phrases. I feel calm. Today was good, and tomorrow I'll practice. Here's a little tip. Try journaling just one sentence in English tonight before you sleep. Did you love this wind down routine? If so, comment below and tell me. My recharge step is ... double quotes and fill in your favorite part in English. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more superhero routines. Maybe a superhero weekend adventure is next. Thanks for joining me. Sleep well and speak strong.